Hi, I'm Kate with Schaller Corporation. Today I want to show you all about our Easy Threader and how to use it. When you have a sweatshirt and you lose the string out of it, this product allows you to easily restring without too much hassle. This is what you're going to get when you order an Easy Threader. On the back it does have some information about the Easy Threader, and there aren't really a ton of directions on here besides our handy photo. So I'm just going to show you exactly what to do. Here's our threader fully extended. You're gonna restring just in through the eyelet here. Once you're through the eyelet, you're just gonna thread this less flexible piece through the hole first, right into your sweatshirt, and work it through till you get to the other side. Then you're gonna pull right through and you're done. So that's how to use the Easy Threader. If you have any other questions, you're more than welcome to email us, schallercorp@yahoo.com. Hope you have a great day.